Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys the best block blast strategy, and let's just begin. So in block blast, the main goal is you'll need to make these blocks line up to something like this. So I'm going to show you an example. So what you'll need to do here is just make a row or make a column and make sure that they just touch the both ends. So for example, if I do this right here, now that's gone. Now you need to do this so you can make more space. So that's the basic idea of this game. So what you'll need to do here is make sure that you have space enough for larger blocks. So if you try to make larger space, you can just fit more blocks, and after you can fit more blocks, you will be able to play for a longer time. And that's the basic idea of this game. So yeah, make sure that you play with that mindset and keep creating space like I am doing right here. And if you do that, you can get high scores really easily, guys. So yeah, that is the basic idea of it. And keep playing till you run out of space, and after you run out of space, you can always start a new game. So yeah, that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.